What's up, beautiful beings? I'm back with another video. I don't know if I'm gonna post this yet, but this video is gonna be based on how I do my eyebrows. I don't have no mirror, I don't have nothing right now. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. So I'll be using what's straight out of my backpack. So this is like how you do your eyebrows, like really quick. You really just want your eyebrows done really quick, and you don't really have much, but you have a little something. What you need is a brush to comb your eyebrows with, and an angle brush to put your concealer on with. And if you don't have that, then you can just use this ghetto, but you can just use a regular hairbrush. And then for the concealer part, you will need like a angle brush or a brush to apply your concealer. And if not, you can just use your finger like to draw the concealer. I'll show you guys. But so what I'm going to start with is my eyebrow brush. I'm going to comb my eyebrows up. I do not have any makeup on right now, period, whatsoever. Like, I was going to do my makeup today for school, but then like everything got in the way. I had exams today, and like I didn't get to, which I think I did good on. So what I'm gonna do here is, because I don't have my pencil sharpener, so if your eyebrow pencil look like this, then what you can do is bite the I know this sounds a little ghetto, but you can like take your teeth right here and like push the product up. So just do this, and it pushes it up like that, and then you do this like that to create like to push the product up, so you can have like some type of, you know, pencil to draw with, and then you flatten it out so it should look like this. So then, I know this is like ghetto, but like you will need your concealer. I use this concealer right here. Yes, I carry this in my backpack just in case I want to do my eyebrows. So like all this stuff is always in my backpack. Like I always have it on me or in my backpack. So I use this concealer right here, and I use not like I use my shade, but I use a shade lighter for my concealer. And then you'll need a beauty blender, and you will need water, but I don't feel like, yeah, you know, I'm being a little lazy right now. So what I first do is I always like comb my eyebrows, comb them up like that. My eyebrows haven't been arched since prom, which was like May 5th. So like my eyebrows have been growing, so they look a little wild. So I'm gonna try to like cover the hairs that should be arched right now. So I'm gonna take this and outline it. Keep in mind, I don't have a mirror, I don't have nothing, I'm looking at my camera. I'm gonna take this brush, the pencil. Either way, either side you can use. I'm gonna use this right now. I don't really know what side I want to use. I'm gonna take it and draw a line. Like trace my, you know, natural eyebrow. This is what I do. And then I turn it to the back side to trace my tail. So it should look like this right now. So then I don't like go up here and underline like that. I just comb up, like color in, and like just line my eyebrow. Color in like that. Color it in your eyebrow.
Then I take my brush and I comb it. Then I color in. But it don't take this long. I'm just taking my time because I'm explaining it to you guys. But it shouldn't take this long if you're doing it in the school bathroom or something. This is like real quick, you know, I'm not taking too much.
And then I'm going to do the same with this eyebrow. So you should have this kind of look right now. They look, you know, like, girl, you should have, you know, blended, like, look, girl, you should have put some concealer on. You know, you should have did that. So I'm going, they look like this right now. So I'm just gonna take my brush, and I'm going to use my brown concealer. I'm almost out. I need some more concealer. And this concealer is called B&H. And I'll put the link down below if y'all want to get this, because this is so good. I'm telling y'all, like, this is almost gone. Like, that's what I'm telling y'all. Like, it's gone. It's gone. That's how good it is. It's so good. And they give you like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. I used the dark brown up, and now I have only like a light brown, and then it comes with like this beige kind of nude color, and then it comes with a nude color, and then they have another, like, you know, I don't really know how to explain this color, but like it's kind of like caramel, you know, truffle, honey, butter, I don't know, but it's really cute, and it blends well and stuff, and it comes on smooth. Look at that, y'all. Okay, so basically what you do is take your angle brush, and you also underlines your eyebrow. It makes your eyebrow pop out. So that's what I'm doing right here. I kind of suck at this right now because, like, literally I'm telling y'all, I'm using my phone camera, and it keeps like focusing in and out. Okay, so normally I don't put the concealer up here, but today I'm gonna do it because my eyebrows, 1, it's not arched, and 2, I just feel the need to do it. So I'm gonna try that. I can't talk. I'm gonna trace up here and carry the line from here to here. And it should look like that. You know, this. So then you're gonna do that for the other side too. It feels like a Friday, but today's Thursday. We literally have like 4 more days of school left, and it's just been crazy and active. So then when you're done doing that, there's always that one eyebrow that's just like, okay, like it doesn't, like, you know, look the same, but oh well, look, I'm just doing this for a video. You don't have to be perfect right now. Yes! 1 second. I'm gonna go wet my brush. 1 second. Take my sponge, and I'm gonna just, you know, pat down like that. But when I pat down, I pat upwards first, because you don't want to put the concealer like that. You pat upwards to stretch the concealer. Ooh, I'm breathing hard, like I'm out of breath because I ran down the stairs because my mom called me. Okay, that was enough water, but whatever, I'll make it work. Okay, so that's my eyebrows. You know, that's just quick at school eyebrows. And then right here, I like my tail to be a little dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in and color that in like that, you know, and then take my hand and like kind of line it up. Like, this is a ghetto eyebrow tutorial, but hey, this is when you don't have enough time to get ready at home, so you get ready at school look. I'm not getting ready in school, but either way, God, I don't have enough time. So I don't have my highlight brush right now, so I'm gonna just use my beauty blender to put a little bit of highlight on my nose and on my cheeks. See, I bring my highlight everywhere, and this palette is called Anastasia's Glow Kit right here, and this is really good. Like, I normally only use this right here. I only use this one. This one I use majority right here. And I don't really like use these unless it's one special occasion. Like I use this one right here for jambalaya. But like it has to be a special occasion for me to use any of these ones because like they're really like, they're not like my skin tone. So it doesn't like really look right. It gives me like an exotic look and I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna take my sponge, just like this is what I've been doing at school. So I just take my sponge and then I tap a little bit right there until like I see it come on my sponge. I gently put it on my nose like that. I dab it on my nose, then I just go up like that. And then I leave it there. I'm gonna blend it, but I'm just leaving it there now, for now. So then I take my sponge again, tap it in there, and put some on my cheek. Sorry, that's my little brother. Come say hey to YouTube, Josh. Okay, then I'm going to put some on my cheek. Oh my god, okay. Joshua, hold on guys, he's next. Sorry, my little brother was in here. So I'm going to take it and put it on my cheek like that. And then I'm going to just take it and then just start blending everything out. And then I'm going to actually put some on my lip too. Like that. And some right here. I'm being extra. I said light makeup. Ooh, now I need some water to blend this out here on my forehead. That's all I do. That's it. And it's gonna be quick, like for real. Once y'all practice and y'all do this real quick, this is quick, like for real. It take me like 6 minutes to do it. Just say you're going to the bathroom, do that first, and then use the bathroom. Like if you're in the tight, hurry up and use the bathroom and do that. This is the final look. You know, quick, simple, easy, quick. If you don't have nothing else to do and you need to take a bathroom break and you want to beat your face, this is like, you can really get this done like within like 6 minutes. I took forever because I was like making a video and, you know, interruptions and stuff. But literally this says 7 minutes, but plus the other video. But this don't take this long. This is if you want to do your makeup at school and just ask your teacher to go to the bathroom, or if you need to hurry up and do your makeup in a car. Like, this is just hurry up to do your eyebrows. This is just a quick tutorial, ghetto tutorial on how to do your makeup really fast. And the last thing I'm going to apply is my lip gloss. You know, girl can't go without this. This is my hair con. I don't know where I got this from, because guess what? I finessed this from my mom. She ain't getting it back, never. It doesn't even have a name on there because it's like really old. But this is how it looks. If you guys see this, is anywhere. This is like literally really good. I'm gonna outline my lips. I'm doing the most. I said eyebrows. I'm doing everything. And this is the finished look. The highlight. Okay. Thank you, beautiful beings, for tuning into my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my makeup tutorial or eyebrow ghetto tutorial on how to do a quick how to do your eyebrows really quick. You guys like and comment under my posts on what more I should do, and like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting more things like lit things like lit. I'm telling y'all, I've been saying this for a long time, but I promise it's gonna be lit. I promise y'all. And I might post this video on how my weekend was like 2 weekends ago. Yeah, I almost got shot up at this party. I'll do story time on that, and then I'll post like my weekend. I don't think I got any of the party clips, but I can like add some clips into that, and then I'll just show you guys my whole weekend that weekend, and I'll do a story time on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, just thank you. More to come.